Hi. First, you need to go to any weather service office website, and then second, you just click on any one of these alert listings. It can be whichever one, it really does not matter. Next, you right click the text and then press inspect or inspect element. Then right click this part, the blue highlighted part, then click edit as HTML, and then you have your entire hunk of text. Basically, you don't have to do this, but delete this. But you don't have to do it if you're just trying to make minor edits to the alert text. But if you're trying to change the entire thing, then I would delete the entire thing. And next, just put in whatever you want to. Go buck wild, I don't care. So like that. Boom. Just like that. Next, we're going to be going to the IEMbot part, which is pretty much the exact same thing. So just right click inspect, or right click, then go to inspect, edit as HTML, and then say ILN issues flood no wait, we want this for Ohio until whenever you want to. So like that, there you go. And that's really all there is to say, so see you later.